To grow a magnolia tree from seed, try to plant your tree in early spring. Choose a spot with slightly acidic, well-drained soil where your tree will get plenty of sunlight during the day. Purchase magnolia seeds from a garden center or collect fresh seed pods from the ground around a mature tree in September or October. Peel the seeds and soak them in warm water overnight. Then lightly rub them with sandpaper to thin the outer coating and help them germinate. Dry the seeds off with a paper towel and refrigerate them in a sealed bag until you're ready to plant them in the spring. Dig a hole in the soil about 2 inches, 5 centimeters deep, and drop the seeds in. Then cover them with dirt. Water the seedlings 2 to 3 times a week during their first 3 to 6 months of growth. Then switch to watering them once a week after that. As your tree grows, prune it regularly in the late spring or early summer after it stops blooming to encourage new growth. Check your tree regularly for signs of disease or insect infestation and prune any dead or damaged branches.